Hi, I'm Josh with Rainy Day Restoration and Roofing. And it's springtime, and a lot of people are thinking about their clogged gutters and want to get up and take care of them themselves. So I want to give you a few tips to consider before you take on that project. First thing, if you're going to use a ladder, make sure it's in good condition. Don't use a rickety ladder. Make sure that before you step on it, that it's nice and stable and it's not leaning or it's not on top of rocks or anything like that. Maybe even have somebody hold the ladder for you. Also, make sure it's not next to power lines. Even just a few feet away from those can be extremely dangerous. Make sure you've got good footwear so that you're not going to slip off. It's not a good idea to wear flip-flops or Crocs when you're climbing a ladder. And then some people think that they should clean their gutters from the roof itself. Don't recommend that. It's pretty dangerous to lean over the edge of your roof to do that. And then the last thing is you can even use a hose to hose out your gutter. There's different attachments available to make it a little easier. And don't forget to clean out your downspouts as well. And if you've got an underground drain system, you're going to need to check that too. So sometimes you might need to disconnect the downspout from that, stick the water hose inside the underground drain, or maybe even get like a snake like a plumbing company would use. But if you've got any other questions or even tips on how you clean your gutters, give us a call or shoot us a text. Thanks again for watching.